So we said we're going to try to integrate these separately. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing that we want to look at is the 3x squared part, and we know that the integral of 3x squared dx, what's that equal to?
X3, x to the third power.
Good. So that's x cubed plus c1, or c, whatever. The first, we'll say c1 because it's the first constant for this first part. And then if we have an integral of negative 3x to the negative fourth power dx, what would that be equal to?
It would be equal to negative 1 over x to the third power.
Negative 1 over x to the third power is correct. Plus c?
Plus c, yeah.
Good. C2 in this case. Very good. All right, so you got those two. Now we're going to combine these two together. I'm going to just write this as, if it's okay with you, I'm going to write this with the negative exponent, just because it's going to help us, I think, in a second. So we have this to be equal to x cubed minus x to the negative third plus c. And can we do anything with these? I see it's like 3 and negative 3.
It's like add together, it should be like 1. It should be like 1, right?
Well, there you go. So you're saying that x to the third and x to the negative third. You said add them together, as in add what together?
Or like combine them, like.
What would these combine to? X to the 3 and x to the negative 3. If we're subtracting them. Negative 1, you said?
0.
0?
Yeah, negative 1. Yeah, I was, yeah, because the 3 minus, oh, 3 minus, it'd be 6.
Okay, so let's see. I see, so if this was plus, let's explore this a little further. If this was x cubed plus x to the negative third power, what would this be?
It would be 1, right?
Well, let's see. This is x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, right? We can't just add these, we have to have common denominators.
Yeah.
So what do we need to do? We need to multiply top and bottom over here times x over 1 times x cubed and times x cubed. Is that right?
Yeah.
So what do we get up top?
You get x to the 6
over x cubed. Good. Plus 1 over x to the third. And what is this equal to?
X to the 6 plus 1 over x to the third.
Good. Which is not what we thought earlier, right?
Yeah.
So I think what you're thinking about, perhaps, let me know if I'm right on this, but we might be thinking about, actually, I don't even know. But, I mean, if you have x cubed times x to the negative 3, what is that equal to?
Be negative 9, right?
So think about that. When we're dealing with exponents, what happens when we multiply them versus when what you're telling me right now is this, x cubed to the negative 3 power. This indeed is equal to x to the negative 9. But the top one is equal to, that's right.
So it would be 1.
X to the 0, which is 1, right?
Oh, yeah.
So that's something to, I would say, be definitely mindful of. I feel like there's a good chance that something like that could come up on the exam where, like, you know, I don't know how the teacher grades or anything like that, but there's a chance where, you know, you do the hard parts, the challenging parts, and then you're in a scenario where we're left with the easier part to kind of finalize the answer, and then maybe a lot of points are taken off or something, which we definitely don't want to happen, you know?
Yeah.
But any questions on that problem so far? That one that we just did?
No, I don't really have any questions.
Okay, good. Alright, let's see. Okay, so, cool. Got a few minutes left, so let's circle this one, show that we've completed that. So I want you to try for A for me next, please. Let's get that circled as well for A. Go ahead and give that one a try next. We only have a couple minutes left. Would you,
Yeah.
do you want to, can I like maybe go over like how to start this one, and then maybe after the lesson you can kind of continue?
Yeah, go over after this one.
Alright.
I think I'm already trying to start. Is like, since they both equal y, you can set them to equal each other, right?
Good,
Then
yeah.
So for x.
Yeah, that's right. So you talk to me. Good. And then what would you do after that?
Alright, and then once you get that, let me get that real quick.
Mm-hmm.
X squared equals 2x plus 8. Sorry about that. But, hold on. 2x. Okay, so then you get 2x minus 2 x squared minus 2x plus 8, and then you set that to equal 0. And then
Good. Quadratic.
Equals 0. Yeah.
Right,
and then
quadratic.
What you do,
Good.
and then you would get like x minus 4, x plus 2. So your x would be 4 and negative 2.
Excellent.
And that would be like, that would be like your little your things on top of the integral.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 4 on top, negative 2 on the bottom.
Good.
And then you either use the antiderivative for the first two. So it would be like 2x. So integral x minus 6. Is it times or?
So it'd be
times 2x plus 2.
Is this what you have? Negative 2, 4.
Yeah.
2x plus 2 minus x squared minus 6 dx.
Oh, I have the opposite.
The first one first, or the second one first, or whatever. Do we need to do it? It doesn't matter. Oh, it's gonna matter if we're subtracting for sure. Between the two curves, because we're not dealing with absolute value. How would you know which? Well, you know what? That might be something for you to do. Try both ways, because you may end up with a positive and a negative answer of the same thing but I'm gonna let you try that. So try it your way and then try this way, and compare your
Okay.
answers. I'm gonna give you the answer for this one though, which is 40 square units. Okay.
It's 40?
Uh-huh. Once you simplify everything, so that way you can just kind of check. And as I said last time, hit me up if you have any questions in between our next lesson, which is going to be Monday or Tuesday. What did we say? Regular, right? Because your exam's Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So regular time Tuesday. All right, cool. Yeah. So yeah, feel free to reach out. Before then if need be. Okay.
All right.
All right, man. Great job today. You did really really good.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
You have a good day.
No problem. You too now.
All right. See you.
All right. See you. Bye. So, Nikes by Frank Ocean. He's just one Nike. What's going on, guys? Courtmaster here. So, Marvin's Room by Drake. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, I just posted a music reel on the piano, and I swiped up, and then Instagram recommended your polyrhythm one, and I watched it like 30 times, and I'm like, yo, it's amazing, and your Mario Brothers stuff is amazing, and just wanted to send you some positive vibes, man. It's cool when I come across someone who I'm like, okay, this is good stuff. So yeah, man. Thanks for existing, and glad I've stumbled upon your content. All right, man. Have a good one. Hey, what's up, y'all?